Hello, how are you? I think everyone is very good. Very long time I cannot provide any information and any video published. So today I share you very nice EA. Please see and how to use this EA and use and enjoy and profit every day. Okay. This EA name Adaptive Scalper. This EA name Adaptive Scalper. So I show you how to set this EA and how to work this EA. So first time this EA you download Google Drive link, then you unzip file, then you copy, unzip file and copy, and go your folder, file folder, then data folder, and MQL4 export and paste. Okay, already EA already faced. So this EA you can use 1 hour and any time frame, but I recommend 1 hour is very good. So you this one go navigation bar, navigation, then you refresh, then you show this EA, then this EA already show. So this EA already I adjust. So right now I set this one three set file, basic and premium and paste. Okay, see basic, standard and premium 10k and 50,000 k 1k 2k. Okay, then you use this one 10k FTMO account, FTMO EA. Okay, so right now how to set this one, you go this one, you get load file, go this one basic, I show basic first time already basic. Okay, this one today market is closed, so there cannot chart come, market open, then you see your new chart one. Okay, right now I show you how to back test this EA. So you go first time view, then strategy tester, after that you go this EA Adaptive Scalper, then you time set, okay, then you 1 hour or 50. So right now I 50, then you set currency, any currency pair, EURUSD, like that EURUSD you can set any currency. So I set EURUSD. EURUSD, then you can go same 1000 and load set file and basic. Okay, so right now I start my back test performance. Just wait. right now already start. Okay, like this you can strategy tester, you can check, and long time cannot wait, very long video, so right now I stop. Okay, like this you can enjoy this one. Thank you.